Okay, everyone, I'm coming at you with something a little different here today. Don't mind the mess. This area's been kind of the catch all for a minute. So, I ultimately, during our COVID times, yeah, um, I got bored and I built uh, kind of a mini bike. I bought one and then I radically modified it. And there's bits and pieces of it everywhere now. But this is actually the stock motor from said mini bike, the 196cc, and I took it out because I got a Tillotson 212 to put in its place. And both of these motors I have built to a certain extent. I didn't go through the head milling and all that good stuff, but I did some small things to it. I did the governor removal. Ultimately had to set the valves, but I put a different cam in there. It's got different valve springs. The rods are still stock. I got rid of the governor. This one didn't have the what is it, the low oil sensor, so I did not have to get rid of that. And then I removed the carburetor and replaced it with, that's actually what's in that bag over there. And I replaced it with a Mikuni, ultimately. I can't remember what millimeter, 22 or something. But we're not focusing for anything here. So downstairs I have the mini bike. I haven't done a video on that at all, but I can. That's kind of why I named this channel Random Knowledge. I just wanted to throw a bit of randomness everywhere. Just the little things that I've learned here and there, and that could be some of the stuff that I put out there as how to kind of tune these engines up. There is a lot of that stuff out there on the internet, but it is interesting. It really is. It's fun to do. I even got a different style valve cover there that it's not on there now, but it's a clear one. So there's a lot of cool stuff you can do to these things. You can get a different flywheel if you want. I do believe it's aluminum, so it's lighter, and ultimately it's stronger the way it's manufactured, is how I'm to believe it anyway, or understand it. This is normally where your gas tank would sit and bolt in here and here. But yeah, this one still has all its goodies in it. And then the other motor is a 212 Tillotson Hemi that has a cam and valve springs and all that good stuff done to it too. So maybe I'll include that in a later video.